Hey guys, welcome back to Voice Bootcamp. This is Faisal Khan, and in this video, we're going to continue from our chapter user API chapters, and we're going to focus on the skills API. Now, many times, whenever you're dealing with users or agent account, you're going to probably be involved in assigning that agent or users to some sort of skills. So, therefore, the subsequent topic that we're going to discuss about skills, language skills, groups, they all fall into within the user category. Now, user skills are one of the most important parameter of any contact centers, whether it is Avaya, Cisco, UCCE, UCCX, or WebEx, doesn't matter. All the routing strategies that are available today are involved in some sort of agent skills or executed based on the skills of the agent. Once you create a user using either API or through some sort of a web interface, you must assign that agent or user to a particular skills. Note, in order for you to create the skills in your environment first, such as, in order for you to assign the users to a particular skills, well, you have to make sure those skills are created first, right? Because if they don't exist, what you're going to assign? Now, skills could be like, for example, sales, support, a regional name like Asia, Europe, America, etc., etc. That can be a skills that you apply to an individual user who are handling calls for that particular region. Now, you can create skills using the post option of our API. Post allows us to create a new item, and the skills name, which must be entered in your request body, as you can see right here. So I'm using the post method to this URL that says HTTPS followed by your regional API for that particular region. We're saying API version 2, users, user ID. And then for that particular user ID, let's assume fcon, we're going to apply what we call is a routing skills, as you see right here. So the routing skills, we're saying, okay, for that particular user ID, fcon or whatever that may be, for apply the routing skills, and the name of the skills is going to be called API skills -1 or sales or support. So that's how you are going to apply that. Now we're creating the skills and we're going to apply that to that particular user. Now the skills name must be entered in your request header as mentioned. Equally, you can delete this particular skills by using the delete option. Now let's take a look at how skills